Hello friends, hope you will be well. In this previous video, I'm compare these two image generating tools. You can also watch this by click to the top right corner icon on this video. But now today's video is very special for you. In today's video, I will compare Chatgpt and Meta AI, Facebook. We will check and compare both. Which one can generate better image with same prompt? This video is not sponsored. Let's get started. I'm opening Chatgpt. I entered this prompt, that is simple. I enter the same prompt again. Now we try same prompt in Meta AI Facebook. Which one is better? Please tell us in the comments. We are waiting your reply.